spokesperson has also responded. Let's listen into what he has said.
This man called Rahul Gandhi, he has gone mad. He's wild. And mad people are not supposed to roam in the streets very freely. It's a kind request to the authorities that please take care of this man who says that he's fighting Indian state. ये भारत राष्ट्र के साथ लड़ रहे हैं. ये खुद राहुल गांधी कह रहे हैं कि हम लोग भारत राष्ट्र से लड़ रहे हैं. तो भारत राष्ट्र से लड़ने वालों के लिए भारत में जगह नहीं होनी चाहिए. He shouldn't find a place in this country. The only place for him in this country is jail. I mean, look at his audacity. How can a leader of opposition of this country say that he is fighting Indian state? एक देश के विपक्ष का नेता कह रहा है कि वो अपने ही राष्ट्र से लड़ रहा है.
Well, let me go across to Niyamika now for more on this. Niyamika, he's also LOP and therefore he sits on several panels and committees that choose either the CBI director or the election commissioners, among others. So he's very much part of the Indian state. The Congress will have a hard time trying to clarify his remark.
Well, yes, indeed, and that is the reason why this question must be asked from the Congress leaders as well, that why such kind of statement is being made by Rahul Gandhi, who is actually on the position of the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha. Earlier, he used to question and mention about the ideology of the BJP and the RSS, but today the statement which he has given is that this fight is not just against the BJP RSS, but also against the entire Indian state. We have been joined by the MP of the Congress party, Mr. Akhilesh Prasad Singh, with us. Sir, आज राहुल गांधी जी ने बोला है कि बीजेपी आरएसएस के खिलाफ ही लड़ाई नहीं है, इंडियन स्टेट के खिलाफ लड़ाई. कैसे देखते हैं?
उनका कहने का मतलब इंडियन स्टेट का बात जो उन्होंने कहा, आज इलेक्शन कमीशन कंप्रोमाइज्ड है. ईडी सीबीआई का जिस तरह से दुरुपयोग हो रहा है, तो इस पे अपोजिशन पार्टी अगर आवाज नहीं उठाए तो फिर किस बात का जमहूरियत, किस बात का संविधान, किस बात का लोकशाही, ये बात उन्होंने.
बीजेपी कह रही है कि अगर इंडियन स्टेट पे सवाल खड़े करें
बीजेपी तो कुछ भी कहती है. बीजेपी तो खुद ही वही सब सारे इंस्टीट्यूशन पे कब्जा कर रही है.
Okay, so that was Mr. Akhilesh Prasad Singh speaking to Times, and he has mentioned it clearly that the statement which he has given is basically about the institutions which allegedly being captured by the central government, which is being there.
Expected to hold a press conference in a short while from now. Niyamika and Mohit, stay with us because we have a response. We have a response coming in from Rajni Patel. We have a response coming in from Congress's Rajni Patel, veteran Congress leader, who's had this to say about Rahul's remark. He's defended him. We'll try to play that reaction in just a short while. Let's once again listen in to what Rahul Gandhi said.
That do not think that we are fighting a fair fight. There is no fairness in this. If you believe that we are fighting a political organization called the BJP, that we are fighting a political organization called the RSS, you have not understood what is going on. The BJP and the RSS have captured every single institution of our country. We are now fighting the BJP, the RSS and the Indian state itself.
We'll slip into a short break. Reactions pouring in to what Rahul Gandhi has said. We'll cover this and much more on the other side of this break. Stay tuned.